The fearless warriors of the lens, always in pursuit of the perfect shot. They brave the elements, they risk it all, and sometimes they get a little too close for comfort. Because in the animal kingdom, they call the shots. This is photographers versus animals. First up, the ever-curious meerkat, nature's nosy neighbor. You may think you're watching them, but trust me, they're watching you too. And just like that, photographer has been downgraded from professional to meerkat perch. Good luck getting that shot now. It seems we have a new cameraman. Guess we'll be filming meerkat reality TV now. This brave soul thought he had the perfect setup until the polar bear decided he was the perfect subject. Oh, you wanted crisp, clear shots? Too bad. You're getting a close-up of bear breath instead. And in a shocking turn of events, the bear rates this equipment a solid 2 out of 10. Doesn't taste good, not even a little. She sniffs, she inspects, she calculates the risk. Is this a threat? Is it food? Or is it just another clueless human with a fancy toy? Nothing says heart-stopping moment quite like a big cat deciding whether or not you belong on the menu. Congratulations, you passed the test. But sometimes curiosity turns into something more hands-on. Oh no, it's the ultimate battle, man versus beast, for a camera strap. Who will reign supreme? And just like that, she'd win. But let's be real, she was just being nice. Underwater photographers know the risks, but sometimes the ocean fights back. When a shark wants to photobomb, you let it photobomb. This shark isn't camera shy, it just wants to direct the shoot. Some animals don't need fangs or claws to show who's boss, and boom, that's a direct hit. Sheep 1, photographer 0. When you're too close for comfort, nature has a way of letting you know. That's a warning shot. Monkeys, cute, clever, and absolute menaces to society. No refunds, no exchanges. Mother Nature's warranty policy is brutal. Otters, cute, cuddly, and full of mischief. This was a coordinated attack. They planned this. Bird photography, high reward, high risk. This parrot just pulled off the perfect crime. Photography isn't just about capturing the moment. It's about surviving it. So next time you snap a wildlife pic, remember, they might be watching you.